It's April 19th. Wait, Meredith.
I'm here.
Meredith.
I'm here with the chefs and the food, baby.
Oh, okay, so I get it. You're not going to co-host with me today?
Oh, no, I'm coming.
Okay, come on.
All right.
Stop eating. Put the food down.
From NBC News, this is Today with Hoda Kotb and Jenna Bush-Hager.
And 7 celebrity chefs share their no-fail tips and tricks for easy Easter and Passover cooking right after
Hi,
this.
guys. They're having fun in there, too.
Alrighty, we showed you the Easter dinner. Now it is time for dessert, and we're using all that leftover candy.
But no peeps for Meredith.
No.
Plus the perfect matzo ball soup for Passover, which begins tonight. Let's say hello to our celebrity chefs. We have Alejandra Ramos, Jocelyn Duck Adams, and Adam Richmond. Hey, guys.
Hi.
So, Alejandra, let's move down to you. This is, sorry, darling.
There you go.
We're having a little bit more flower pot
This is
fun
a
over here.
similar sort of thing.
Exactly, yes. So for this one, we're actually starting off with cupcakes. So again, if you want to use the box mix or you have your favorite recipe, make them frosting, store-bought, or your favorite recipe, whatever you want.
Okay.
Frost them quickly. Honestly, you can even buy frosted cupcakes if you're really that pressed for time or
Yeah.
just not ready to do all that baking. And then you do some toasted coconut. So you can.
This is fun for kids.
Yeah, so you can get regular coconut, put it on a stove top, and all you have to do, actually, I'm going to show you an
can buy it
even
like that,
easier
though,
little
too,
trick.
Oh,
so
easier.
you just dip it. Check this out.
Sorry, I
Look
just
at that.
messed up the whole
No.
thing.
I know, how easy that
there
is
is
because
nothing
then
wrong.
it comes out all
Okay.
frosted.
That looks pretty.
And then put a little bit in the center just to act as our glue, and use these little eggs. These are so good. I know everybody loves these this time of year.
So it's like a
adorable.
nest.
Yeah, it's a little bird's nest. How
that's
cute is
adorable.
that? And then we've got another
Can
version
you
of
pop
this.
them in here?
Drop it right into your tiny little flower pot. You can use it as a centerpiece. So another version you can do is you take regular coconut, add a little bit of green food coloring to it as much as you want. Just stir it up, dye it up, and then once again, you want to dip it in there,
Yeah, that's a
kind of
good one.
collect it all. I mean, it's so simple, right?
Yes.
And then
Pretty, actually.
a little bit of the frosting as our glue. and we
Meredith, is
put
it okay
our
with
little.
you?
Yeah.
Sorry, Meredith.
Is it okay with you?
I said I like the yellow. I like the
She
yellow.
likes the original.
I like the yellow.
You could also use little bunnies or whatever little
Yes.
candy you want.
You guys are so cute. Great ideas.
Try the soup. I'm just
Get in here. It's Jewish
Get in on
penicillin.
this. I want
Y'all, to get these recipes, we all need them. Go to today.com/food.
All right, good.
Check them out. Don't pass them over.